So today we're going to be doing a deep condition, wash, and silk press. So you're going to learn about how I do basically everything. It's going to be very detailed. So first, what you want to do is you want to get your deep conditioner. I use Aussie Moist, Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. The product will be in the description below, but you want to just rub it right through the hair. Take very small sections and work your way from root to tip. So y'all, she has a microlink installed. So I'm working it from root to tip. You know, putting it on the microlinks and on her natural hair, and just brushing it through. So as you can see, it's called 3-Minute Miracle Moist Aussie, and it's the avocado line they have. Super moisturizing conditioner. Use it if you have curly hair or any type of hair. This will make your hair repair and helps it bring it back to life. Now wrap it up in deep conditioner, head tie. You can get a bag anywhere from the beauty store. And it's sitting there for like 15 to 30 minutes.
We just love that. We just want that loving affection
and wash it out.
That we should have, you know. We shouldn't be asking or begging for that.
Exactly.
Like I'm not sure if y'all parents asking that, but I don't know what it is. Like, I just don't know. Make sure y'all use heat protectant.
Always start from the back and take small sections and work your way up. Personally, I really like the round brush when dealing with long hair, especially like natural hair. I don't round brush it too straight, but it does help loosen out that texture, so it's easier to straighten the hair. When dealing with microlinks, you want to hit that natural hair first, get it straight, and then work on your weave. It just makes things way easier.
It wasn't fixing it. It's the mailman now.
It's gonna be okay.
Niggas be like,
it's not in God's will for us to have a baby. It's gonna be okay. Wait, I'm about to get this shit. Don't be afraid to use it. Leave the hot comb. This is her least favorite part, but she'll be alright.
So now we're all blowed out. So now it's time to press that baby out, which y'all all came for. So you want to start in the back and then work your way up.
It's the action for me. Y'all see that? Sorry, y'all. It's the commercials.
So it can work from right here, but it couldn't turn down from right here.
Toxic.
It's the TV belongs to them for me.
Seriously.
So you want to take your time and go down real slow. You want to make sure everything is nice and straight. So take your time and go down slow. And you want to take it in sections. Do not take big sections. But you want to just take small sections and go down real slow. And start from the back and work your way up.
It's the scared for me. It's the I'm scared for me.
Y'all see that silk?
Got it on me.
Microlinks are so versatile. It could go half up, bun, anything you want. Make sure you message me on Restoring Miracles 2 on Instagram and get your hair sliced.
We're gonna wait a little bit. Right. Can we talk about that? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that,
For me.
I'm sorry, y'all. Wait, hold on. Yo.
Marcus.
So now we're at the top, so make sure you guys go over the roots with the hot comb so that it can be as flat as possible. And take your time when pressing it out.
You and your friend in the penthouse, folks see you.
Tryna find my way back to you. Tryna find my way back to you. Tryna find my way back to you.
So fly like angels, most high the praises go high, we praise him. So fly like flies, both ties in love, we both find the truth that you're mine and God. I'm yours, my feelings contort, and I am so sure that I am your boy. And here when your voice ignoring the lies for you, I will fight, cause this is a war. I load and start busting, cause I am in love with this.
This is how your hair should look. So silky, weightless, and lightweight, and just so straight. Make sure you wash out all the conditioner out of your hair once you deep condition. A lot of people get it messed up, but wash it all out and your hair gonna be so silky. The only thing that the conditioner does is make your hair super soft and have body and movement. And make sure you shampoo super well. But enjoy the rest of the video and look at the finishing touches.
She's gonna show you how they work. Show you how they work now. So
I know what this is.
This is how your hair should turn out. Super silky, like, you know, like no stiff weaves. Very much hers. Yes, soft. Yes, come to the front now, yes. Very much her hair, you know, from the scalp. From the scalp, okay. Y'all see that. Ooh, it's, ooh, ooh, it moves, wait, ooh, it moves, see, ooh, it hurt, put in a ponytail for us, put in a ponytail for us, ooh, you'll see how it's going, ooh, half of hefty on for them, ooh, yes, it's all hers, period.
Until next time.